thought. Well, Nimesh, at the start of the show, you teased us. You said there is some relation between the markets as well as cricket. We want to know what's the data you're throwing up.
Well, it's a very interesting data. Even I mean, it was a kind of an eye-opener for me as well. So the first, big win was in 2007, right? The inaugural T20 World Cup, which we won. The Modi, the whole, team was such a first-time kind of thing, right? But if you look at the market returns after the win, I just looked at 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year period. In the first 3 months after the 2007 World Cup win, the markets were up 18 to 21%. I'm talking about Nifty and Sensex. 18 to 20% rally in the first 3 months. However, in the next 6 months, over a 6 months period from the election win, the markets were down between 7 to 9%. And over a 12-month period, the markets were down between 15 to 18%. So that was a kind of correction we saw in 27 after the World Cup win for India. Now coming to 2011, which was a 50 World Cup in Mumbai, it was something I was witness to. But look at the data after the win. Over a 3-month period, the markets were down 3.5%. Over a 6-month period, the markets were down 15%. And over a 12-month period, the markets were down 10%. So on an average, over a 6-month and a 12-month period, over the past 2 instances, we've seen between 10 to 20% kind of corrections in the market. Will history repeat? Only time will tell. But as even Prashant pointed out, we started the last 1 month, we've seen a rally between 10 to 24% across all the indices. So we've seen a long, pretty hard rally in the markets. Historically, the last two instances have suggested that over a 6-month and a 12-month period, markets, the periods are quite tough and we give negative returns. So need to see how, post the 24 win, how the next 6 to 12 months pan out for India. But history suggests that we've seen a very tough period for markets in the 6 to 12 month period after we win the World Cup, the 2020 or 50 World Cup.
On the cricket aspect,